Hi, welcome to Hardy Classics, and today the second vehicle I'm going to show you is this beautiful little 1928 fabric bodied top hat Austin 7. Now the people out there know absolutely every nut and bolt on these things. I don't. I've had dozens of them, but I don't know everything about them. So if I'm saying something on this video that's not right, drop us a line, put us right. Every day is a school day. There you have it. I've been told there's only 95 fabric bodied top hats left. So there's the first statement I'm going to put on the firing line. Again, correct us if I'm wrong. But what a beautiful little thing. Obviously the body, the fabric on it, the vinyl, isn't original after all those years. But we believe inside the interior is. Get a look in there. How original is that? Look at the headlining. Look at the headlining, the back seat. And it's a little bit worn, but it's perfectly usable. While we're in there, we might as well have a quick look at the dashboard. Everything looks in place there, although there is a switch there. Looks like it's for the high and low beam for the lights. Foot starter down there, 3-speed gearbox. And the thing about these cars, especially the top hat with the big door, if you're quite big, you can fit in them. Let's start around the front. Again, Austin 7, little short nose chummy thing. Starting handle in there. It's obviously had the chassis off at some time and been restored all the way through. Again, you'll have to come and look at it. We haven't put it through the workshop, so we don't know yet. It does start and stop, but we don't know to what extent. There will be another video on that. It's just to let people know we've got it out here and what sort of price we've got it at. Wheels and tyres look okay. This one has a spare wheel. We recently sold one that didn't have a spare wheel, but there you go. Didn't come with a spare wheel. Passenger side, you'll see what I mean by the big door and able to get in. You have some carriage works here, it's nice and period. Batteries under the seat. On this particular model, you unscrew these two little winders and you can lift the windscreen forward so you can have air conditioning, if you want to call it that. Under the bonnet, we'll have a quick look under here. Nice and clean under there. Oh, it looks like there's no nasties. When we did have it running, it wasn't rattling, banging or smoking. It's had a couple of upgrades. It's had a more modern updraft carburettor fitted on there. Sensible to do, really. Why wouldn't you make something drive, you know, better than it was when it was new? And the same on this side. It's had a modern ignition coil fitted down there. Again, why wouldn't you? It's going to aid to your driving. So there you have it. You don't see too many fabric bodied 1928 Austin 7s, but I've got one and it's up for sale. We will be doing test drive videos on all these cars, although I mightn't be sitting in this one. Somebody of a slighter build might, although I dare say I can squeeze in. Just look out for the videos, look out for them coming. Follow us on YouTube, please subscribe, it really does help. And every time you subscribe to them, the next video you'll get the chance to see straight away. We do have some unusual cars coming and going, a lot more than normal car dealers. So like I say, keep an eye out, subscribe, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, all the social media, and that's about it for today. Get in before the rain comes. Bye bye now.